What's going on, everyone? Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to record your iPhone screen for free. Now, this is great for anyone who wants to start a mobile gaming channel or a mobile app review channel, which is why I ultimately decided to make the video, was because it's another avenue for you guys to pursue if you guys actually do like mobile games, mobile apps and etc. So with that said, let's get into it. So the app is called Dual Recorder and it's free to download. However, the only tools that you actually get access to are recording to your local device and recording a gift. So that means that if you're recording gameplay on your phone, it downloads to your phone, and then you can upload it to your computer. Absolutely free. The live stream features, however, are included in the paid package version of the app. But if you're not live streaming, then it's not really much to worry about. So when you guys get into it, you're going to be brought to a screen like this. And as you can see, the bottom to the record to local device and the record to give are the two options you have available. So I'm going to go ahead and show you guys exactly what it's like when you're recording your device. The gameplay that you guys have been watching for the video, as well as a gameplay you're watching now, has slowly been recorded off of my phone using this app. So you can get a good feel as to what it would look like if you uploaded these videos. One really cool feature that I think is going to be useful for anyone recording YouTube videos is the built-in ad. It allows you to add text music and you can also trim and cut your videos. The reason why this tool is so great is because if you're not at a computer and you record some mobile gameplay, whether you're at a friend's house or you're just not at home, it's great because you can record, edit and export the entire video onto your phone and wait till you get home and you can upload it onto your computer. Maybe add some final touches, or just upload it straight to YouTube from there. So I thought that was really good, is that you can record, edit and upload straight from your phone. One of the great features that this app offers is that it allows you to record in 720p, which is one of the highest resolutions that they allow on YouTube. In addition to that, you can also record of 30 LPs now, although it doesn't allow for any higher recordings as far as fiascos. It is still pretty good that a free version of an app you can still record on 30 EPs. So once again, just some cool features on the free version of this app. Let me know what you guys think about this. I hope if you guys have any aspirations to maybe do mobile game reviews or just app reviews in general, that you take a look at the tools you have because you don't need to spend really any money on apps in order to start out a YouTube channel like this. So I hope this gives you guys more information on that. And with that said, hope you like the video so we can rank on YouTube and I'll see you on the next video.